let's check out this month's Yarnable. Sorry for the crinkle, but before we look at the yarn, let's check out all the goodies that come inside. So we get this zipper bag, and we have a card, and this looks like it says aromatherapy, sweater weather, a shower steamer, and sweater weather would be the scent. We have a pen. I hope that's not upside, that's upside down, isn't it? There it is. It says falling leaves yarn please. I like that. So we have this bag, and we have another bag that says falling leaves yarn please, which is the same as the pen. And I'm going to tell you about the shower steamer. So the shower steamer is sweet pumpkin, cardamom, with hints of rum, clove, and nutmeg. You place the cube on the shower floor. It will slowly dissolve and release a soothing scent in the room. Nice. The pro tip, shower steamers can be used as a bath fizzer as well. So that's kind of cool. Never had a shower steamer in my new shower yet, so I thought I'd show you what it looked like. Oh, there it is. It's a big cube, and it smells really good. So that smells divine. And it says, celebrate cozy knitting days with Yarnable's charming enamel pen. Perfect for adding a bit of fun of fall flair to your knitting bag or jacket. Project bag or jacket. Transform your shower into an autumn-inspired escape with a sweater weather shower steamer. And keep your essentials organized in style with Yarnable's fall-themed pouch, the perfect project bag solution for all your autumn notions. And the question of the day is, why did the turkey join the band? Because it had the drumsticks. That's just silly. And did you know that the popular Thanksgiving side dish, cranberry sauce, was first commercially canned and sold in 1912? Wow. That's cool. So let's check out the yarn. So I'm excited. And I always get the DK Deluxe. So the first one I have is Plush DK, which is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. And so the side skein is called 'Tis the Season for Hot Cocoa. It is 123 yards or 50 grams. And that is a beautiful chocolate brown. Very, very pretty. And then in my main skein comes in the little muslin bag. And it is gorgeous. It's called Let's Get Basted. And again, it is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. This one is 246 yards or 100 grams. But that is gorgeous. Look at all the colors. That is really pretty. Look at this. Look at all the colors in there. And it goes perfect with the hot cocoa. They go perfectly together. I am thinking a gorgeous, gorgeous hat. I think that would be absolutely beautiful. I am in love with that. That is very fall vibes. Very much so fall vibes. And I think that'd make a nice hat for Froggy. I'm just saying. So, I hope you like this month's Yarnable. I know that I very much do. It is absolutely wonderful. So, I hope you guys like it. So, check out Yarnable. It is really fun to get a surprise every month. I love that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.